Hey guys, welcome back. So in the last video we saw why are company interested in data structures and algorithm and what are the types of company that we have. Hope you have understood the idea. Now in this video let's see few examples from real world where we unknowingly use data structures. So the first example is of a queue. So let's say there are lot of fans assembled for a graph from their actor. Now as we can see in the picture, it will be very difficult for the actor to give an autograph because there is a lot of rush over here and there is no order in which people are pouring in. How about if we make a queue of all these fans and people come one by one? In this case, it will be very easy for the actor to give an interview because now the fans are organized and they know whose turn is when. Fine. Now let's take one more example of a tree. So a tree is basically used for parent-child relationship. So let's say we have different horses over here with different names and we are given the relation over here, that is white fox is a child of Todd and Diamond and so on. Now let's say if we are asked a very simple question that who is Todd's grandchild, then we are in trouble because we have to do a lot of calculation. So this is where a tree comes in. So if the same data we can arrange in a tree format, we can very easily say that Kestrel is the grandchild of Todd. So you see that there was a big problem and we solved it very easily using a tree data structure. Now let's take one more example, this time a graph data structures. So let's say the problem is that we need to find out the shortest route from one city to another. So here we have a map of India with different cities and the lines are basically indicating that these cities are connected via flight. Now let's say if we want to travel from New Delhi to Bangalore, then what are the options do we have? So if we do a NAV solution, we see that there are a lot of possibilities of reaching from New Delhi to Bangalore. But which of them is the optimum? We cannot be very much guaranteed. So this is where the graph data structure comes in. So if we use a graph, we can solve this big problem very easily, which we are going to see in the graph chapter. Fine. So those are the very simple but classical example of use of data structure in our day-to-day life. So I hope you are now slowly getting an idea that how data structure directly or indirectly always affects our life. So that is all for this video. In the next video, let's see what are the types of data structures that we have. So let's see that in the next video. Thanks for your time. See you in the next video.